Hey guys, Ryan here with Accelerate Marketing, and today I'm going to talk to you more about the exciting world of artificial intelligence for business owners and how it applies to businesses. My agency has been around for over 15 years. We've been helping businesses throughout the world for the past 15 years generate an additional $100,000 or more a month in revenue for their businesses, no matter where they're at in the world, and to create a business that they really enjoy and they love because they're doing the things that they set out to do when they set up the business in the beginning, instead of wearing all the other hats. My goal for anybody that gets on this call today is to help you guys in a workshop environment to identify, how you're doing with your business, how you can make it better through leveraging artificial intelligence. We have another workshop that's on our school community that's on Mondays at 2 Eastern that is specifically for local service ads. We get data from Google, for example, that tells us where you can open up your next best location based on the competition, based on the search volumes for your specific vertical. We actually get data on that. For you guys that don't know what artificial intelligence is and what the capabilities are of it, I think the most important thing to do is to give you guys just a taste of how it works. I'm going to call our AI agent so that you guys can experience it and hear exactly how it works.
What's the potential legal case you want to discuss?
Yeah, so my name is Ryan, and I have a case, I think, and this is, I actually was rear-ended in Florida, and I'm wondering if I have a case. Are you an agent, an AI agent?
Yes, I'm a virtual assistant here to help. Let's talk about your situation. Since you were rear-ended in Florida, could you tell me what happened and who you think was at fault?
Yeah, I think the other person was at fault. I mean, I was rear-ended, like I said. I just want to find out if I have a case.
It sounds like you may have a case, especially if the other driver was at fault. Were you injured in the accident, and did you seek any medical treatment?
Yes, I was injured in the accident, and I did seek medical treatment. I went and saw a doctor about 2 weeks after.
That's good that you sought medical attention. Do you have any evidence, like photos, witness statements, or a police report from the incident?
A lot of business owners, they don't really know even how to leverage artificial intelligence. Every one of the businesses that I work with have one problem. They don't answer the phone. There's 3 ways to really make sure that an agent responds the way that you want it to respond. Number 1, you can give it a prompt. The prompt is the equivalent of the pep talk that you give the agent. It's like you giving it a pep talk every single time. It's like you're physically there in front of it going, hey, okay, I know you have all this knowledge from the entire internet, okay? But what I want you to do is I just want you to just focus on this. And this is your guide rails. These are the 5 questions that I want you to ask, okay, in order to qualify somebody. That's what a prompt is. A knowledge base is the reading notes that it gets before it actually goes into a conversation. So it's like, okay, it's not just the pep talk. It's like, okay, here's all my notes. I got to read all these notes the night before I go into the conversation. That's what the knowledge base is. And then there's a third way, which is called reinforcement learning. It's post hoc. It's after the conversation happens that you go in and you edit the conversation. You edit what the AI says, how it says it, and that way, the agent can behave differently the next time, the way that you correct it. And so I'm going to show my screen to show you guys like where these things are at. So here's our AI agent, by the way, on our website. So I am wanting to learn more about Google. What verticals? So this is one way that you can engage with it. Okay, so you can see here's some of the verticals that can run Google local service ads. Okay, I'm a veterinarian. Can I run Google local service ads? Currently, veterinarians are not. Okay, so that's actually wrong. Okay, so this is where we would go in and we would correct it. Okay, so let me see if. Okay, here we go. That's not true. Okay, currently, you can run. So I'm going to save that. You can see here that this is the conversation. So every conversation is stored here, okay? Now, this is called reinforcement learning. Okay. This is after the conversation or maybe even during it if it's happening. I can correct the agent. Okay. Can I run Google? Okay, let me see. Let's see if it changes it. Yes. Okay. Boom. It changed it. Yes. Veterinarians can run Google Open Source. It's a great way to increase visibility. This is how you educate the agent. This is how you make it smarter and specific to what it is that you do. Okay. If you're a business owner, artificial intelligence, right now, you have an opportunity to leapfrog ahead of your competitors. We're deploying enterprise level AI agents for businesses. And the inbound intake is the beginning of automating your entire business. With an AI agent, you can definitely generate an extra $100,000 in revenue. So this is the Google screen or Google local service ad section. Look, the guys that offer messages as a way to contact them, they get a lot more leads. I'll even go further than that. The business owners that take messages and that typically reply in a few minutes are the ones that show up at the top. And that's why, one of the reasons why he's showing up at the top. Okay. I'm telling you guys, this is how to get more inexpensive, pre-qualified, pre-sold leads, is to turn on these features, turn on the AI, have the artificial intelligence allow you to be 24/7 and to respond your messages, your message leads, and all of your inbound phone calls instantly. Okay. That's what the AI will allow you to do. That's how you rank at the top of Google now. It's not doing all this backlinking and all that stuff. It's all about the experience that the person has when they find you on the Google platform. Let me know what questions you guys have. You can text us at 619-304-5155. You'll experience the AI for yourself, and or you can join our school community. It's completely free. You just go to school.com/local lead lab. It's all about leveraging artificial intelligence. Yeah, I'm looking forward to connecting with you guys. We'll talk soon.